Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Exploring Women Artists. My name is Maritza, and today we will be learning about an artist named Swoon, whose name is Caledonia Curry, but her art appears under the name Swoon. And she is a street artist who is largely known for being the first to gain wide-scale recognition in the male-dominated world of street art. She is based in Brooklyn, New York, and she does a lot of murals, and her art is a mix of realism, so her portraits are very realistic, but mixed with the whimsical and fantastical, and includes elements of fairy tales and myths and feminism, and a lot of her work also has tendrils of her own family history. It shows a lot of her parents' struggles with addiction and substance abuse. So I have a couple of examples of her work here. This is her. This is Caledonia Curry, or Swoon, and this is one of her artworks. As you can see, her art is very large scale, and it's usually on the side of a building or in her installations. She has a lot of installations with work on the walls of museums or spaces, and she does a lot of three-dimensional art. So as you can see here, this room, the center focus of this room is her very large representation of a woman, and the walls around her are this sort of mix of whimsical and fantastical that I was mentioning. Down here is an example of one of her murals. You can see that the people in her murals are all very realistic, but she uses fantastical colors and patterns and images in the back, so it's really a mix of realism and abstract art. So today I thought it would be fun to do a project inspired by Swoon using chalk. You can find a sidewalk and use chalk to create your very own version of street art. You can use Swoon's mix of realism and fantastical to make a sidewalk square your own. You can also do it on the side of a building if that's okay. So I urge everyone to go outside, stay safe and wear your masks, of course, but use chalk to create your own version of street art, since that's what Swoon is very famous for. I hope everybody shares their work with us. You can use #LoveArtSphereInc on social media. You can also leave comments and pictures of your work under the ASI blog post for Swoon. And I hope you tune in next Wednesday for the next Exploring Women Artists class. Thank you guys for watching, and enjoy.